What is up, people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat stories not loading. So this problem is like basically occurs if you have like a slow internet connection. And the other thing is, before I tell you what the other options are, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So be sure to do that and watch this video until the end without skipping, or you guys might get confused on how you guys can solve this problem. So let's start the video. So the first reason, as I told you, could be because of your slow internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet, and if you guys can, just go to a YouTube and watch a YouTube video, or go to any website. If the YouTube video isn't loading and the website isn't loading, then that's basically the problem of your internet. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. And the other thing could be the lack of update. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date to the latest version. This problem may also arise if your Snapchat is, not up to the latest version. So for that, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Snapchat. And as you guys can see, there's an update button over here, which means my Snapchat is not up to date. I need to press on update to update my Snapchat like this. I need to press on update and my Snapchat is updating. And after updating your Snapchat, you can go to Snapchat and watch some story. It should load, but if it still doesn't load, then what you can do is restart your phone, because sometimes it's a problem with your phone and restarting it would solve this problem. But if it still doesn't solve it, then the last option is to delete Snapchat and reinstall it again. And after doing that, if the problem is caused by some corrupted files, and deleting and reinstalling it is the best way to fix it. So delete it and reinstall it and watch the story. It should work. And if it still doesn't work, then the last option is to report the problem to Snapchat staff, and they'll try to fix it from there. And it also could be because if Snapchat server are down. If Snapchat server are down, then there's nothing we can do. You just need to wait until the Snapchat servers are back online. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.